It's 11. It's 11.
Наше приключение.
О, у меня фонарик все еще работает. It's 11 p.m. There's thunder and we're walking to my cousin's house. And the lightning is getting really close. And there's barely any lights over here. So we may or not get jumped. Especially since I'm speaking English. Chances are pretty big.
У нас есть много гопников. Видишь, вот какой гопник идет. Люди засываться в воде.
Okay, so there's a dog. Okay, my cousin said that the lovely lighting will end soon. Okay, so we're going into some freaking ghetto road. Oh shit. Okay, at least the lighting is behind me. And I won't. Okay, do you see how dark it is? Look how. Okay, my flashlight is on. I would like to point that out. Okay. Okay, there's holes. Oh my gosh. Okay, you can't see it, but there's a huge hole in here that I can easily fall through. Oh my gosh, you see the lightning. Might not make it. Puddle. I'm walking in the puddle. Why am I doing this? All coming toward us. Let's not talk now. So you don't know what that is. Shit, there's like 2 creepy. Just in case they want to kill us. You know, I'm walking in the puddle. Oh, this is a dark ass road. All you see is like the friggin' lights from the cars. That's a huge truck coming our way right now. Okay, so there should be a pedestrian crosswalk here, but that no car actually stops for. So we should be safe, right? Lights.
Это что?
What the hell?
Ангелочки.
What the hell?
Oh,
Fuck.
смотри, какой фонарь здоровый. Это что, уже белый путь, что ли?
Woo! Woo! Out! Out! Woo! Woo! Alright. Alright, we are not safe. We are not safe at all. I do not feel safe. Okay, see that? It's good. Okay. Cool, we made it. We just made it across the road. Okay, see what's gonna happen now is there's this fence and I'm walking over it. Yep, I made it. I made it. Here's my cousin. I can't see you guys. That's a good sign, right? That's what always happens in the horror movies, right? Before you die, your camera dies, or oh shit, that was a lightning. Oh, and that's the thunder. And okay, this is where we're walking right now. So basically, all you see in this video is me freaking out. Okay, that's what it has. Oh, did you see that lightning? Oh shit! Okay, it's really close to us, so I'm gonna walk really fast. We're getting close to our house now, so I think, oh, see that? That's kind of interesting. Ooh, that is not good. It's really pretty, but you can't see it. Walking up the stairs. Walking. We're safe. We're safe now. Okay. Goodbye. Walking. Oh, look how bright. Yeah, here we are. Hello. Take off our shoes now. Taking shoes off. Okay, that's her dog. It's really weird looking sausage. Oh, who's this? Who's this? Who's this? Is it a little dog? She loves us. I don't know why.
He.
It's a he. But who cares? You made it. Alright. У меня все, видимо, вода попала. О, okay, she thinks she's cool.
Знаешь, что она сказала?
Что?
Что ты типа думаешь, что ты крутая.
Что?